Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss part 11 of Unit 9, that is Application of Biology. Before start the main content, I would like to inform that images used in our slides are for education purpose only. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this PPT, have any concern, any issue, please contact us at sathi@iiitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. In this particular video lecture, we are mainly focusing on tissue and organ transplantation, community health, and blood bank. So, first topic is organ and tissue transplantation. What is organ transplantation? It is a medical procedure. Organ transplantation is a medical procedure in which an organ is removed from one body, okay, and placed in the body of a recipient. Why? To replace recipient's damaged or missing organ. Okay. Or this donor and recipient may be present at the same location, or organ may be transported from donor side to another location. Okay. So this is about the definition of organ transplantation. These are the type of organ which can be transplanted in the urgent need, like heart, kidney, liver, lung, pancreas, intestine, and uterus. And these are the type of tissue which can be transplanted, like bone, tendons, skin, heart valves, nerves, veins, and cornea. Okay, but throughout worldwide, this kidney are the most common transplanted organ. Most common transplanted organ, followed by liver and then heart. Okay, and this cornea and musculoskeletal grafts are most common transplanted tissue. Under tissue category, this cornea and musculoskeletal grafts. Okay, these outnumber organ transplants by more than 10-fold, and it's a huge number. Okay, so in organ, first kidney, followed by liver and heart, and in tissue list, first cornea and then musculoskeletal grafts. Now, let's discuss type of transplants. There are so many transplants like autografts, allograft, isograft, xenograft, domino transplant, and ABO incompatible transplants. So first of all, let's discuss what is this autograft. So if the organ or tissue that are transplanted within the same person, within the same person's body, okay, that time we can use the term autograft. Okay, sometime there is this is done with the surplus tissue, as you know, tissue that can regenerate or tissue that more desperately needed elsewhere. Okay, like skin grafts, like vein extraction. These are the examples. So autograft means if we can transplant like skin type, if there is a burning, someone burned because of any reason, then the plastic surgeon, what they will do, they just take out tissue from another body part and then with the help of plastic surgery techniques, they just transplant it into that burned part. So within same person. Okay, so that type of corrections, transplantation of own organ, own tissue occur within the same individual's body. That time we can use the term autograft for the same. Okay, next type is allograft. Allograft. What is the definition of allograft? When transplantation occur within the same species. Within the same species. Okay, and this allograft can either be formed from a living organism or cadaveric sources. Okay, in this type of transplantation occur between two genetically non-identical individual. Means from one individual to another individual of the same species. maybe of the same species. That's enough right now for this definition. Okay, so if transplantation occur between two genetically non-identical member of the same species, that time we can use the term allograft for the same. Okay, and most human tissue and organ transplantation comes under this category only, allografts. Okay, and because of the genetic difference between the donor organ and the recipient, mostly recipient immune system show its immune response against the organ or tissue type. So in that situation, doctor prescribe them some immunosuppressant drugs. Okay, because there is a risk, because our immune system is very intelligent. The immune system can recognize self cell or non-self. Okay, so that time the doctor prescribes some kind of immunodepressant drug. Okay, third term comes under this transplantation category is isograft. Isograft means now. That's why I'll not explain previously non-genetically non-identical terms like. Okay, so now let's discuss that particular topic also. Isograft means it is a type of allograft. It is a subset of allograft in which organ or tissue are transplanted from a donor to genetically identical recipient. Means identical twins whose immune system are also same, don't show any kind of rejection. Okay, so it is again within same population but within two individual who are genetically identical, means identical twins. Okay, so isograft again is a type of allograft in which organ or tissue are transplanted from donor to a genetically identical recipient, such as identical twins. As you can see, this is a picture of some two twin sisters. So if because of any reason, if one is in a need to kind of a transplantation organ or tissue level, then easily doctor can transplant tissue type from one sister to another sister, because they are genetically identical. And why? Because in this type of situation, their immune system do not trigger for reaction, because their immune system don't analyze that tissue type as a foreign particle or foreign or antigen. Okay, so that's why it is written over here, isograft are differentiate from other type of transplant because they are anatomically identical to allografts. They do not trigger an immune response. Okay, so this is isograft. Now next type is xenograft or xenotransplantation. This xenotransplantation is a type of transplantation in which transplantation of organ and tissue occur between two species, from one species to another species. Okay, like pig or porcine heart valve, pig heart valve transplantation, which is quite common these days. Transplantation of, if there is a need, then heart valve transplant from pig to human. So one species to another species. Similarly, piscine primate transplantation of pancreatic islands, means pancreatic island transplanted from fish origin to primates, non-human primates. This is again one species to another species. Okay, so if transplantation occur between one species to another species, that time we can use the term xenograft for the same. Clear? Now, okay, so this is the picture. Again, once again, we can revise the things. Autograft. Autograft means from one part, like from hand to leg. Okay, from same individual. Transplantation occur in the same individual from one part of the body to the another part. Okay. Now, allograft between two individual of the same species, between different members of the same species, person X to person Y, if there is a requirement. Okay, within same species, then we can use the term allograft for the same. Next, isograft. It is a subtype of allograft, and this transplantation occur between one individual to another individual, but both of them must be genetically identical, or genetical identical individual means monozygotic twins. Okay, or within an inbreed strain. Xenograft means from one species to another species, like pig to human. Okay, so these are various type of transplantation. Next type is domain transplants. Domain transplant. So a domain transplant occur when patient A need only lung. Okay, but the best treatment is to give the heart and lung combination for the betterment of that patient A. Okay. Again, I'll repeat, a domain transplantation is a type of transplantation where if a patient A just need a lung, but the best treatment is to give the patient heart and a lung combination, and that time patient A heart is unused and that are in good condition. So if doctors can utilize patient A hearts to transplant his heart to patient B who needs only heart, that time we can use the term domain transplantation. Okay. Again, I'll repeat, a domain transplantation is a type of transplantation when patient A need lung, but the best treatment is to give that patient a heart and a lung combination. Since patient A heart was good, it can be transplanted into patient B who need only heart. Okay. As the recipient original heart is usually healthy, it can then be transplanted into the second recipient, means patient B, in need of heart transplant, thus making the person with CF a living heart donor. Living heart donor that time. And a procedure in which an organ is removed from one transplant candidate and immediately transplanted into the second patient. Okay. Next type is ABO incompatible transplantation. Okay. And this occur in young children. Young children means generally 1 year old, means under 12 months or maximum 2 years or 24 months, whose immune system haven't well developed, because immune system takes time to develop, right? So within 2 years range, kids don't have a well developed immune system, so it is possible for them to receive any organ from otherwise incompatible donor. Okay, and this is known as ABO incompatible transplantation, because their own immune system do not have a well developed immunity, so it will not reject donor's organ or tissue type. Okay, so organ donor may be living, may be brain dead, or dead via circulatory death. Okay, tissue may be recovered from the donor who die of circulatory death as well as brain dead up to 24 hours past the cessation of heartbeat. Unlike organ, most tissue except cornea can be preserved up to 5 years, and we can use the term banked for the same. We can store the tissue, but For cornea, we have immediately transfer it. Okay. So transplantation raises a number of bioethical issues also. This including the definition of death, when and how consent should be given for this organ transplantation, and so on. And some other ethical issue like transplantation tourism, which is known as medical tourism. Okay, and more broadly, socio-economic context in which organ procedure or transplantation may occur. But it is a good process for someone who is urgent need, and if it is required for the life of someone, and if someone get that organ from a brain dead individual or accidental individual. But there are so many, yes, it is already mentioned, some ethical issues are there, some socio-economic issues are there, and yes, on this there is a different kind of crimes like organ trafficking also present in our society for this organ transplantation access. So there is also an ethical issue of not holding out false hope to the patient. Okay, so this is all about the organ transplantation. But again, one topic related to rejection, transplantation rejection occur. Means transplantation medicine is one of the most challenging and complex area of modern medicine. Okay, some of the key area for medical management are the problem of transplantation rejection, during which the body has an immune response to the transplanted organ, possibly leading to transplant failure, and that in that time need to immediately removal of that organ from the recipient. Okay, so that time doctors usually prescribe immunosuppressant drug, and doctor only transplant organ from one individual to another individual after so many tests, so many biochemical tests, molecular tests, just to analyze the level of antibodies and other kind of cell present in the immune system of the recipient. Okay. Next topic is community health. Okay, so what is community health? Community health is a simple health service that are delivered by laymen outside the hospital and clinics. Okay, so it is also the subset of public health that is taught to and practiced by clinicians as a part of their normal duties. Community health is a major area of study within the medical and clinical science, which focus on the maintenance, protection, improvement of the health status of population group and various community. That's why community health. And there are so many type of services comes under this category, like preventive health services, prevention for certain diseases like tuberculosis, like cancer screening, like treatment of diabetes, hypertension. Next is promotive health type, like health education, vaccination, nutritional supplements. Okay. Third type, curative health services like treatment of malaria, pneumonia. These are common disease. Okay. Rehabilitation health services like provision of prosthetic parts, body parts, social work, counseling, and other mental health services. Okay. Now measuring community health. Community health is generally measured by geographical information and demographic area. Okay. So geographical information system can be used to define sub-communities when neighborhood location data is not enough. Now, next topic is blood bank. What is blood bank? Blood bank is a type of bank in which blood gathered as a result of blood donation, and this type of blood is stored and preserved for later use in blood transfusion. Okay, so a blood bank actually collect the blood, separate its component, test, some kind of test also performed to analyze the blood quality. okay, and store blood until a patient need it. Okay, so a blood bank is a place where blood gathered as a result of blood donation and is stored and preserved for later use in blood transfusion. What happened to blood in a blood bank? So first step is collection. Okay, and this blood bank actually rely on the volunteers, blood donors. During a typical blood donation, blood is collected in so many vials and approximately 450 ml. Blood collection has been done with some small tubes also. For what? For testing purpose. These tubes and donation are labeled with the donor information and sent off for processing and testing. Whole blood is centrifuged, from which, because of the centrifugation, that this blood separate out in its component and um, like RBC, platelet, and plasma. Okay, and according to the need of the patient, that particular part has been transfused into the patient. While from this whole blood, white blood cells are removed from the blood to minimize the chance of reaction, because white blood cell is having immunity power. It is having different kind of cells, antibodies, macrophages, and others. Okay, so while the donation is being processed, the blood test tube which doctor collect in test tube are sent for the screening for what? Screening for various lethal type of disease like hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and for HIV virus too. If any of the tests are positive, the donor will be notified and the blood will not be used. During the testing stage, the blood is also typed for ABO blood grouping and RH factor. ABO blood grouping and RH factor. Okay, once the blood is screened and processed, it is stored up to 42 days. This is important. 42 days or until it is needed. A blood bank ensures that hospital have a safe, reliable blood supply for patient in need. Clear? So this is all about the today's video lecture. I hope most of the things has been cleared now. Still you have any query, any doubt, you can write down to me comment box. We will discuss it later on. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep learning. Namaskar.